So as mentioned, I've been using this toothbrush for a couple of months, and it has replaced my very expensive Sonicare. Not only does it ultrasonically vibrate equally, if not a little bit harder, which basically no ultrasonic toothbrushes on the market do, that's why I've stuck with the Philips so long, but it also oscillates. Check this out. Up to 60 degrees. I push the power button. It vibrates, but also oscillates, which means you don't have to move it up and down. These bristles are soft tapered. They're very easy on your gums. And this button is amazing. So I have mine. This one is mine. It's been dropped a couple times, so it's seen better days. But it's got this pressure sensitive button. Not capacitive, pressure sensitive. And when I say not capacitive, that means that when your fingers are wet, it'll still work. Like, that's metal. Check this out. I don't know how they do it, because the thing is completely unibody. There's no gaps, no holes, and that's one of my favorite features. There's no shmoo. On most toothbrushes, you know, there's a little gap here and you get all that nasty little crusty, so gross, and you have to pull the head off and clean. No. This thing is tapered such that water gets in there and it just completely pulls it away. I haven't cleaned this base forever. Oh, I love it, okay? There is an iPhone app on this thing that lets you choose the intensity of the cleaning modes and what cleaning mode you'd like to select. There are 3 that are pre-programmable. And most importantly, these heads are not a scam. Unlike other toothbrushes on the market, you get 3 of these for just 10 bucks. And if you want 6 of them, you can get them for as little as 17. It's $79 for the ABS version. This thing is a great value. The performance of this, I think, is equal to the nicest Sonicare brushes on the market. The battery, again, I haven't charged this. I mean, it's low now, but I haven't charged this in over 2 months. And when you need to, you just plug it in via MagSafe for 2 hours and you're good to go for many, many months more. It comes in plastic, it comes in aluminum, and it comes in, of course, stainless steel for $99. It is incredible value. It is a beautiful toothbrush, and it literally makes Johnny Ive weep.